Okay, so welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be working on an 18-inch by 18-inch gallery wrapped canvas, which is 45 by 45 centimeters. And the colors I'm using is Basics Cadmium Yellow and a Liquitex Basics of Vivid Red Orange and just a acrylic red, no brand, it was cheap, and Amsterdam, and this is a phthalo blue. And white, which is just Artist Flow acrylic white. That's it. Those are the colors. And I mixed them up 2-to-1 ratio, 2 parts Floetrol and 1 part paint. And I put some silicone at the bottom of the cup. And this is a flip cup, which I will then use a marble to make a pattern on it. Now, I've seen this done and I think they look beautiful, especially one that I've seen with Fiona. She's amazing. What an artist. So I'm going to layer up these colors. Yeah, the one that I liked the most was, well, they're all really good, but Fiona Art. I'll leave her the link of her channel in the description area. When she did this, it was absolutely gorgeous. So that's what inspired me to do this. And I'm using basically the same colors, but not the same brands, not the same tones that she is. So who knows what this is going to look like, but we'll see. So she said just to basically put layer on top. I hope I have enough paint here. Oops. Red. I mean orange next. I'm not sure if I've done this right, but let's see what happens. And then this red on top of everything else. Wow, I have a lot of color. Look at that. It's gorgeous. And then the blue on top of that. So it's going to be a flip cup. That's a tongue twister. Oh, look at that. Those colors together. It is beautiful. Okay, so what I have to do is put this down this way. I'm not sure how to do this. Holy cow. Go like that, and then hopefully don't make a mess. Oh, that was kind of scary. All right, now everything should be there, and I'm gonna get my torch, and this is just a torch that I use for this, nothing special. So I'm going to let this come out. Wow. Ooh, that's beautiful. All right. And the middle part, not the greatest, eh? I didn't have a lot of the white. I'm gonna see if I can put some white there. All right, look at the colors. That is quite beautiful. And I'm gonna torch. And then move it around a little bit. Look at this colors here. Oh, the orange and the red together is quite beautiful. I don't like this middle part here, but anyway, we'll deal with it. Okay. Now I'm going to put this down and put the marble in. Let's see, and kind of let it go. Let's see what happens. Well, that's a lot of fun. I guess you have to have a lot of paint everywhere. Doesn't work just on its own without paint. Yeah. This is rather cool to do. Break up this. Look at these designs. Oh yeah. I don't think I have enough paint. It's not moving that way. Beautiful, beautiful design. Okay, I'm gonna let that go. And then I'm going to see if I can do anything about this. But look at over here, how gorgeous that is. Wow. All right, I'm going to let this tilt over here a little bit more. There you go. Now I'm going to do the same thing on this side here. Nice and slow. Beautiful. Whoops, need a little bit more there. And then this side, I hope I don't lose too much of that blue and orange, or blue and red. It's gorgeous there. You're getting smaller. Ooh, what a mess it makes. Okay, now that is beautiful. I love it here. And I'm wondering if I could add a little bit here. Just with some leftover. Okay, I'm going to stretch it out the other way. See if that works. Okay, that's beautiful. I love that. And where's the ball? Where's the marble? Uh-oh, I lost it. Here it is. I'm going to put it on one more time and see if I can play around with it just a little bit more. No wonder everybody likes this. It's a lot of fun. Okay, I'm gonna take it out. Oh. That was not good. I'm gonna do that again over here and just let it go off here. Okay, and then pick it up, put it here. And let it fall off here. That's cool. That is quite beautiful. Look at this. Amazing. Now where's the, I'm gonna let it go over here a little bit. Awesome. Wow, that is so beautiful. Look at this design here. I love the colors together. I'm gonna break this up here a little bit, right there. Beautiful. I'm gonna do it in here. Cool. I think you keep going and going with this. It's a lot of fun to do this, and I'm happy with the way this is looking. It's quite beautiful. So I'm going to leave it at that, and I'm going to get you down so you can see it up close. Wow. And here it is from my side. Look at this. Wow. Look at those colors. So beautiful. Vibrant. Love that kind of line that separates this. You kind of get these patterns here. It is very beautiful. Very happy with this for my first attempt at this. I think that turned out great.